to the Quick Start tutorial for the Quantile Math Skills Database. Discover individual quantile skills and concepts and the quantile measures of each state standard with this tool. Get a detailed view of the knowledge clusters and the interconnectedness of QSCs, and access free resources aligned to the QSCs, state standards, and quantile measure. You can find the tool in your Lexcel and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexcel.com/math-skills-database. There are two ways to search. If you're searching for skills or resources aligned to a state standards, use the standard search to locate targeted free resources appropriately matched to students by quantile measure and math content. First, click the standard search at the top of the page. You will need to select the following. Select the state or common core standard of interest, and select the grade or course to which it applies. Users can also select a specific standard to further refine the search. Then, click the search button to view results. To search for skills or resources that may not be aligned to a specific standard, use the keyword search. First, click the keyword search at the top of the page. In the associated entry boxes, type one or more criteria: keyword, quantile measure, and/or the QSC ID. Then click the search button to view results. Let's talk about your results. Standard search results are found on two tabs. Select Skills to view quantile skills and concepts and their associated state goals, QSC ID, QSC description, quantile measure, and strand. Select Resources to view quantile resources listed by QSC ID and name. Keyword search results are also found on two tabs. Select Skills to view QSC ID, QSC description, quantile measure, and strand. Select Resources to view quantile resources listed by QSC ID and name. And whether you used a standard or keyword search, your results are sortable by clicking the arrow beside the desired term. To view QSC details, click a QSC ID or description. A new QSC detail page will open. The focus QSC description and ID number will appear at the top of the page, followed by three detail sections. Expand Knowledge Cluster to reveal prerequisite, supporting, and impending QSCs. Expand Resources to view supporting quantile resources. Or select a state from the State Standards drop-down menu to search for state standard alignments for the focus QSC if one was not already indicated through a standard search. And finally, Basic Plus and Premium members can save quantile resources they love. Just click the Add symbol to save a resource for easy access in the future in your Quantile Resource Center. Now you're ready to put the Math Skills Database to work. That concludes this Quick Start tutorial. We'd love to know what you think about the Quantile Math Skills Database. Visit support.lexcel.com to find more answers or to get in touch with the Lexcel and Quantile team. Thanks for watching.